Jupiter, the largest gas giant in our solar system. While humanity has relatively extensive knowledge about the Moon and Mars, what do we truly know about Jupiter? This massive planet is shrouded in mystery for the most part. So what would happen if one were to dive into Jupiter to unravel these mysteries? If you were to attempt this challenge wearing standard space gear, it would end swiftly. First and foremost, you wouldn't even make it to this planet. Roughly 300,000 kilometers from Jupiter, radiation would penetrate your spacesuit, leading to a fatal outcome. But let's make it more interesting. To experience the descent into Jupiter's depths, you'd need a specialized suit capable of withstanding the extreme conditions. Initially, you'd plunge from the upper atmosphere at speeds of approximately 180,000 kilometers per hour. Jupiter's gravity is far stronger than Earth's, and your speed would be much higher than falling through Earth's atmosphere. You'd still be able to see the sun, but don't expect it to provide warmth. After falling about 250 kilometers, you'd reach those famous clouds, entering a space with temperatures as low as 150 degrees Celsius. Now is the time to prepare for one of the most spectacular journeys of your life. Jupiter's clouds would create strong winds, reaching approximately 482 kilometers per hour. You'd feel like you're inside a massive, colorful tornado because Jupiter is the fastest rotating planet in our solar system, despite its colossal size, being about 101.2 times the volume of Earth. It completes a rotation in just under 10 hours. Now, let's take another leap of about 120 kilometers. Congratulations, you've just reached a point deeper into Jupiter than any man-made object has ever gone. In 1995, NASA's Galileo probe reached this point before being destroyed by Jupiter's atmospheric pressure. The only source of light here is likely the thunderstorms happening around you. At this point, temperatures would start to rise. Without the tremendous physical pressure on your body, you might find this temperature quite comfortable. However, the pressure you're experiencing here is over 1,000 times greater than Earth's surface pressure. If you could construct a suit as sturdy as a deep-sea submersible, you might have a chance of surviving. It has taken about 12 hours to descend this far. Honestly, it's getting a bit monotonous by now, and you might be considering calling for help via radio. Unfortunately, due to the absorption of signals by Jupiter's atmosphere, this is impossible. You must continue your descent. As you go deeper, temperatures and pressures continue to rise. There's a section where you can swim, as there's no distinction between liquid and gas. It's known as a supercritical fluid. Temperatures keep climbing, and ultimately, you'd be enveloped in heat equivalent to the surface of the sun. In addition, you'd be subjected to a pressure 200,000 times that of Earth's surface. Hydrogen metal would begin to form and surround you. This relatively unknown substance would create an inescapable dense liquid. Even if you could escape, you'd continue falling for thousands of kilometers, likely reaching Jupiter's core, perhaps. Some scholars predict it's the immense pressure within Jupiter that makes this unreachable. Even if you manage to overcome all these challenges, you'd be rendered immobile by the sheer pressure of the atmosphere. In essence, you are already dead. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.